Good evening. I will wait a couple minutes to get this live. Go through the teams quick. J-Wags, 49ers, Chiefs. I have a pile of teams in this one. Derek, Steelers, Chargers, Packers, Jags, Seahawks. Texting people. Josh, Vikings, Pats, Redskins, Browns, Cardinals. E, Saints, Raiders, Rams, Titans. Ryan with the Giants, Falcons, Panthers, Bears, Ravens, and Lions. We have 15 teams left in the random. Any auto, jersey, or numbered card will go to the random. The random will consist of sweet Joe Mixon out of 14 out of 25 player worn patch and case from a hotpacks.com pack, which we will do one of at the end tonight. And a slightly creased and damaged but pretty cool card, dual Sam Darnold. If you look, it's creased a little up here and a little down here on this one. But so two randoms. First guy will get first pick. Second will get second. That is going to do it. So we'll have a sip of my drink, wait about 20 seconds, and get going. This is the kids are asleep, so I'm home alone. So we'll break at night instead of in the morning. Delicious. Okay, 2014 Elite. This is the last break out of a 2-year deal for J-Wags and Josh, in which Josh owns the rights to Jimmy Garoppolo, 2014 rookie cards. Well, any Jimmy Garoppolo, because he owns the 49ers, and he gets the rights from a Seahawk, or from any Patriot. Pile of packs. Wow, I didn't think there were this many packs. Wow, this is the sort of, how many packs are 20 packs, 5 cards per pack. Wow. Let's see, what do we got guaranteed here? I think there's 4 hits, 3 autos, maybe. Including passing the torch signature. Now I've seen some of those. Some of those are nasty. They're dual autos, one on each side of the card. That would be pretty sick. Let's see if we got any thicker ones. This bottom one's a little thicker. This one seems a little thicker. This bottom one seems a little thicker. Okay, I don't know. We'll go through them. And good luck to everybody. We'll do the hot pack.co pack at the end. And any auto, jersey, or numbered card will come off the random. Let's see if I can do a pile of cards pretty quick. This one feels thicker. I don't know if they had decoys or not. I'm assuming they do, but I don't know. 4 thick cards, that seems like too many, but I guess it could be an auto jersey of some sort. Good luck to everybody, especially Mr. Joey. With a boy Garoppolo. Okay. Geno Smith. Stephen Ridley. There's a passing the torch, not autographed. So the autograph version would have had Corey Dillon and Gio Bernard. Russell Wilson. Big Ben. Ooh, autograph for the Rams. Pretty low numbered Greg Robinson. I feel like he was a high pick. I feel like he was like top 10 draft pick, actually. Going to Easton and the Rams. Pretty sweet out of 99. I think he was a, let's see if the Rams are in the, Rams are already out of the random. Robinson, I think he was what the second overall. Yeah, man. Nice hit, E, for the Rams. Says he's on the Browns now. Okay, Elite Series Cam Newton. Kind of a cool looking card. I don't know how rare it is. I'll keep a couple separate piles. Tom Brady. Another one, Richard Sherman and Marcus Trufant. Matty Ryan. Face-to-face Peyton Manning, Tom Brady. Brady and Manning and the Broncos on the left. I really want one of these duos. That'd be cool. AJ Green, Joe Hayden, face-to-face. Ooh, for the Jags, Marquise Lee out of 25. Rookie auto. Man, if those are decoys, we got a trillion hits. I don't know what is going on. Going to Derek and the Jags. Sick hit. Two nice hits to start it off. Marquise Lee going to Derek. Nice signature out of 25. There you go. That's the way to start the break. I think the Jags are already off. Yeah, already off the random. Okay, two good hits to start. Here we go. Two nice autos. Tavon Austin. Now maybe a nice insert. Ooh. Legends of the Fall, Peyton Manning. Cool looking. For the Broncos, not numbered. Trent Richardson. Yeah. Back to how we were doing it. Gordon Cutler, Legends of the Fall again. Maurice Jones-Drew. Jared Crick, Percy Harvin. Well, a good start. Two, that one stick. I'm guessing they must have decoys that all over this. This one even feels a little, really nice cards though. Two nice looking rookie autographs. The Elite is some nice stuff, man. They have these really cool ones. I think it's one or two per box that are like, they look like you took a pin cushion and just poked a trillion holes and made a design. Those are pretty cool. You can like see the design through them. I like them. Those are all the thicker field ones. I'm assuming half are decoys and two or three hits. So if we get another hit in here, it'll be interesting. Good luck, everybody. Nice cards so far, though. Really like these. Jordy Nelson. What? Acetate auto for the 49ers, Bruce Ellington. That's cool. Nice hit for J-Wags. I mean, it's probably not the right guy, but they also have a glass card. Oh, I think there is a glass card in here. This is not it. This is just an acetate clear card for the 49ers, Bruce Ellington. On a 199 die cut acetate card. Cool looking. Cool looking for J-Wags. Take the 49ers out of the random. They're probably still in there. They were. Down to 14 teams. Okay. Back to it. Nice. 3 autos already. Man. Elite Series Jamal Charles. We haven't had a single numbered card. That's kind of on the rarer side. Oh, sick. It's a Russell Wilson, the pincushion card or whatever you want to call it. Profiles. That's cool. I'll show you that. I'll show you it in a second. Who's got the Seahawks? If you look at it this way, it looks black, and then you can see a million holes poked in it. Really cool profiles. Russell Wilson. He's got the Seahawks. Derek. Nice, man. That's a cool looking card. I like that. Put him up there with Marquise Lee. Yeah, there is a glass card, I think. That'd be cool. Robert Griffin III, Elite Series. Oh, boom. Whoa. This is a sick box. Teddy Bridgewater, Elite Series. On card. Nice, man. I don't know where Teddy B's going to go next year or the year after, what he's doing. But he played a hell of a game this year. Hell of a game. Hell of a couple of games. Joshy boy. One of your Vikings. Oh, I forgot the sleeves. Boom. Teddy Bridgewater. On-card rookie insert. Not numbered, but who cares? Going to Josh, and I will have a drink for that one. We have not been hitting too great of cards. We have 4 autos already in this box of at least 3 legitimate players. I don't know. There's a ground card turned the other way right there. Probably just a numbered card, but this could be a ridiculous box. Gronk, numbered to 199 for Josh and the Patriots. Back to back for Josh. That's on-card Teddy. That's pretty sweet, man. Going to the Patriots and Gronk. I don't even want to put a card on that till I get a... Oh, here we go. We'll throw this on it for now. I want to scratch the one touch. They're expensive enough. Okay. Patriots coming off the random. Well, Josh ain't probably getting the bonus card. Okay. This is a corner. Awesome. There's definitely got to be a couple jerseys, too. We're going to get more than 4 hits. Face-to-face. D Ford rookie out of 499. Wrong Chief, but this year in this product, this is the right Chief, Mr. J-Wags. Wow, what a box so far. Out of 199 for the Chiefs. D Ford for J-Wags. Chiefs coming off the random. Chiefs coming off the random. We got a Tyler Gaffney out of 199 for the Panthers coming off the random. I think Panthers are Ryan. 45 out of 199, Tyler Gaffney. Ryan had not got a hit yet. And I have not got a hit yet. Panthers. Well, the Eagles were on the random, and they were one of my teams. Panthers must have already been off, and the Broncos were one of my teams. Okay, no, the Panthers were on there. They're coming up. Okay, the random is really dropping down to it. Eight teams left. And I think we're gonna get at least one more hit out of this. I mean, all these thick packs. I think we're gonna get a jersey card. I think we're gonna get a glass card, maybe 2 jersey cards and a glass card. This is a decoy. Edelman, Charles, decoy. Dante Moncrief for the Colts out of $7.99. I think I have the Colts, but I'm not positive, to tell you the truth. Moncrief, $7.99. Colts were the last unclaimed team. Going to me then, by default. I don't think there are any like base rookies in this stuff, which is kind of cool. Okay, so that was a decoy, but we got a nice number card. Let's see what this one is. I mean, maybe they're all decoys. We only got 4 autos, and 3 that I would consider really awesome. So, another decoy. Give me a backwards card. Elite Series, Arian Foster insert. Okay, we'll probably fizzle him out. I guess that's to be expected. Maybe this is the glass card. Nope, another decoy. I guess the 4 autos might have pushed our luck. Boom! But we got a Drew Archer for the Steelers numbered card out of $9.99. $9.99 Drew Archer going to Derek and the Steelers. Are they on the random still? Pittsburgh is not. We got Ravens, Bears, Saints, Giants, Raiders, Chargers, Seahawks, Titans. We're still on the random. 2 packs left. I don't know. I think there's a glass card. And it'd be nice if there was an extra jersey. That was kind of cool. I mean, we got 4 sick hits, so that's your glass card. They keep it in plastic, so you can tell. Be a jersey. Give us 1 extra hit. That'd be cool. Already a great break with Teddy B. Decoy, damn. Vincent Jackson. Those are kind of cool looking cards. Anybody wants those, let me know. Otherwise, I'll just probably keep them. Bunch of decoys. I was running out. Okay, we'll take another sip before we open this glass card. Oh, I think it's going to be. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Whenever I open a glass card, I don't know if I've ever opened a glass card. To the back, RG3. Kendall Wright, Carson Palmer, and your glass card. It's a Monty Ball. Clarity. Monty Ball. I get to own that with the Broncos. Out the card. Decently thick. Stupid thing folds forward. I don't want this to fold forward. That just makes it look silly. There you go. Clarity, Monte Ball glass card. Cool looking card. My second card of the day, I guess. Okay, well, I gotta say, I mean, overall, Josh has got to be stoked. Gronk numbered. And the monster Teddy Bridgewater on-card rookie auto and elite. J-Wag's getting a nice D4 rookie number. Bruce Ellington clear acetate auto. Greg Robinson rookie auto for Ishan. I got the Clarity Monte Ball and a Dante Moncrief rookie numbered. And Derek not doing too bad with the Drew Archer. A sick Russell Wilson pin one. And a really nice Marquise Lee out of 25. Okay, that is going to conclude that box. Honestly, not what I expected. Usually you get like 2 jerseys, 2 autos. You have 4 autos and I mean, if you'd have told me I got Marquise Lee and Greg Robinson, and neither one of them was the best autograph, I would have been really stoked. So can't complain at all, I don't think, about the box overall with Teddy B. I will, there's not much to sleeve up. These are kind of inserts. Again, if you want an insert, you collect a certain guy, let me know. I'll send it along. But most of these are not, they're non-rookie, non-whatever. We got one more pack of this. We will be taking probably 2 weeks off with the holidays and how they fall, and going to be busy. I'm sure everybody will be busy. Try to spread out the payment of the last couple breaks one more time. And so the next one, the last break, we'll have 2 more of these. A 2013 Crown Pack, and then we will do the random at the end. So, I mean, there's a chance maybe I'll do it at New Year's-ish, but definitely nothing next week, definitely nothing Christmas week. We will take that week completely off. 8 teams left in the random for the 2 spots, and we will see how this pack goes. Totally sealed. Again, this is hotpacks.co. This Magneto. Again, I'm not sure if I got this before they changed it to guaranteed auto or jersey, so there might be a chance it's serial number cards, but we will see. We'll try to slow roll this for you. Hotpacks.co. Oh, we got a Spectra card. Lots of Spectra. 20 round. It says Brown. I'm assuming Brown. Now we got Antonio Brown, Noah Brown. Well, I guess my guess is Antonio, but AJ Brown, nice. I think he's actually playing pretty good this year. It's a rookie too, I think. Out of 99, is that a rookie? Let me get you out of there and flip you around. And monumental. It is a 2019 AJ Brown. I think he's in his 2nd year. Either way, that's a pretty sick card. Pretty happy with that. I think Easton's going to be too for the Titans. Titans are coming off the random too. Nice card for E. Good break. I like that card. Again, Hotpacks.co, I'm still undecided about you guys. It's, $12. Could I buy this card for $12? The answer is yes. I could buy this card for $12 on eBay, and I can buy a case for $2. And probably I can buy this card for $6 and buy a case for $2 and pay $8 for this card on eBay or something. But, I mean, you open a $12 pack, you get a $6, $8, $10 card. This card is pretty thick. Usually, they're not bad. Pretty thick. Cool looking card, though. This one is numbered 44 out of 99. I'm liking it. This one I like. I like the mixer. I like the Travion Williams. The last 3 we've opened, hotpacks.co, give you a good grade. First couple before that, not as much. So we got 2 more last time, and I do have a couple more of their stuff coming up. So we'll really test them out here and see how they do. Haven't pulled anything big. Haven't pulled much that would be considered highly above your $12. But this one's going to E. Pretty sweet. AJ Brown jersey card. Large jersey too. I mean, I like that one. That's a cool card. Here's the pump for that one. Okay, that's going to do it. Thanks a lot, guys. I will post this up. Have a great holiday. Maybe I'll see you before New Year's, maybe not. And I'll talk to you soon.